welcome to the TMT Daily Strategy video for Wednesday, March 22nd. Right, guys, quick admin note. I did get a lot of emails asking questions about the daily video and what's going to happen. Well, I mentioned yesterday that I'm going to be doing a daily video only once a week. And the video that you've seen that you've been getting every day in your inbox will increase and will also include daily levels of the ES, the NQ, gold and crude oil, and a bunch of other indicators for $15 a month. I've just been kind of inundated. I'm doing a lot of videos, a lot of research reports, so I can't do everything all at the same time in the morning. So if you desire the videos, please go to supportertradingmarkettechnicals.com, sign up. It's $15 for the month. That's less than $1 a day to get actionable levels where you can trade off of. Now, we also have the Pro Trader Premier video for $69, which is more intense, and I'm going to show that to you again. I'll show you that on the 10-minute chart of the ES, but you're going to get much more than what you've been getting for $15. I'm going to cover all of the futures of the ES, the NQ, gold and crude oil. I will give you a couple of nuggets during the course of the week as well. Also, we're going to review some indicators, and we'll do a commitment to trader report as well, and do a dice of that report and see where we can go and kind of put together a couple of decent ideas. And that's what you're getting for $15. Now, for $69, the Pro Trader Premier video, you're getting a much more intense report, which is much longer than the video that you see on a daily basis. But if you guys are swing traders and you're not active as you would be during the day, then the daily video for $15 would be you. But if you are active and you need more detailed levels, then you would get the Pro Trader Premier video. Guys, this is a research report. This is not a video. Yes, I make it into a video, but this is a full-blown research report. Institutions use it. Traders, novice traders, extensive backgrounds, traders that have had extensive experience have signed up and used it as well. These are plotted in our algorithm. It's not just a resistance line or a support line. Believe me, you'll see what I'm talking about as you see the videos. It will go live. The daily videos I'm going to put out for you will stop April 1st. And then it'll be a once-a-week video that I'm going to put out for distribution. Okay, so that should clarify things. And if you have more questions, please send an email out to support@tradingmarkettechnicals.com and visit our website as well. All right, so daily video of the ES. Here's our levels. We did have a big breakdown. I talked about this. I said to a couple of our subscribers, it's very unusual. The FBI was out on Capitol Hill, and they were grueling I think it was like 6 hours, and the market didn't sell off. And back in the day, just even before 2009, the market would have been dumping, selling hard, and all of a sudden you get that, and you get some healthcare issues with what Trump's doing, a lot of delays, and all of a sudden now everybody says, let's take a profit. I did mention early in the week and probably on Friday that we get a little bit of a sell-off this week after the monthly options expiration had concluded, and that's exactly what we've been getting. Now, do we go down every day this week? No, probably not. What I'm looking for here is a take back of this big engulfing candle, maybe 50%. And then tomorrow, really Thursday, would be the deciding factor. Are we going higher or are we going lower? And as you guys know, I mentioned, and I covered this extensively in the Pro Trader Premier video, that we're looking for a fourth wave minor pullback within the larger fifth wave completion of this bull market run from 2009. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. Now, has it started? It may have started. I need to take out the lows. Once we take out the lows, then I'll identify a couple of target areas to the downside. Again, that's what I do in the Pro Trader Premier video as well, okay? So we get some downside targets for those of you who are swing trading, and of course some upside targets if we were to break the zone here. But this is exactly these areas, what you need to know for trading. And also you can see our momentum indicators are starting to roll over here. Here's that 10-minute chart that I was showing you. This is where our subs really made some real nice money yesterday. And let me just kind of walk you through that trade. We had a support area here at this level. What happened was that we broke to it. We tested it for 10 minutes. For 20 minutes, we finally broke down, and that's where our subs got short. First move. Here's our second move. Two nice trades for the day. Really, really nice easy money, guys. And you can see here on our 10-minute chart, we have our levels for today's trade. Now remember, this is going to be free up until April 1st, and then April 1st, this goes away for the daily videos. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. And again, it's $15 a day for our daily and $69 for the intraday for our Pro Trader Premier video. Anyway, this here, guys, is holding right now. So let's see if this holds. If it does hold, or if it does pull into the support area and holds the latter part of support, take out the swing high, and then you look to go long, and vice versa. Okay, so these are your levels for today for the ES on a 10-minute. This is the intraday levels. Next is going to be the GDX, and you can see here we really didn't move anywhere in the GDX, so I'm still looking for a takeout of this swing high here. Really 20, let's call it 26 to be round off numbers. I like the 26 area. Close a couple of days, then I think we go higher. We are starting a second leg of a bull run in gold. I also like to see this swing low hold of 21.35. If not, we'll probably test the 19.13 and then look for something like this and a bounce back up again if it holds. Right now, nothing is, and we don't know for sure, nothing is a fact, but well, let's see if this thing could go down a little bit, test the area. I'd like to see a double test this swing low. That would definitely give me some good confirmation that we got buyers into these zone areas. Okay. Next is going to be the TLT, and again, TLT is shining real good along with gold and a lot of this consumer staples, the utilities, the REITs. They're all going money flowing in because now there is a lot of uncertainty, and also the VIX. Look at the VIX. We talked about the VIX trade. I showed you that divergence. Let me pull that out for you. Just want to show you where we are. I showed this to you on Monday. I've showed this to you many times. You see that we got that. We had VIX and the XIV now starting to converge in here, right? They were diverging, and now they're converging. And I said, watch, be careful. You're at highs here, all-time highs, all-time lows. Look for a market to either drop and the VIX to pop. Okay, now this still has not really popped at all because there's still many buyers out there that look to buy the dip, and I think that we are going to get that pop that we're going to have. Now, this is what I kept saying too. Risk happens extremely fast. If you looked at this, we lost a whole month of trading in one day. Okay, can we go all the way back down here in 3 or 4 days? Absolutely, we can. I don't think that's going to happen because I do think the buyers at dips are going to step in yet again, and that's why I think we get a fourth wave minor pullback to get everybody long. I do not think the market is long enough, if that makes any sense to you guys. I think there needs to be more buyers in here, and the shorts need to get in and try to short this thing one more time, finally capitulate, push this market to ridiculous levels, and that's when we fail. Okay, and I do think that could happen somewhere in the summer to late October. All right, that's where the timeline is for me at the moment, but we still need more evidence to see where this market is going to head on the fourth wave minor pullback. Russell 2000, you can see that 134, and now you go back to my video, guys, you could see I've had this level. I've showed this to you many times in the free video as well. 134.02 has been there for a while, and it's holding. Okay, that's a good spot if you guys were short up in here to take a little profit, and that's what these videos, these zones are for. They're very highly actionable, meaning that the price action adheres to them in a big way. Now, obviously, when you have a market sell-off, they will go away, but that's going to turn into resistance, and you guys will know that. All right, so here's the IWM daily. Big support area here. I'm looking for the first test really is going to be here, the next level, and then it'll be right up in this level here, just above the 61.8% retracement, okay? You could just see what's happening here. We have lower lows, low highs in RSI, MACD, same thing. So not really pretty. This is a secondary leader aside from our transports and Qs here. Take a look at that. One day wiped out a month's worth of gains, and we're back above the TMT proprietary price channel. So be careful out there. I'm looking for some sort of a dead cat bounce back up to 50% of all of the engulfing red candles in the indexes that I just showed you. If we take back to 50%, tomorrow will be critical, kind of a line in the sand type mentality. If we start to roll back over, we take out the low from yesterday, then I think we're headed back down, and we will start our fourth wave pullback. Remember, We've had a couple of down days, very small. Yesterday was the only meaningful down day with a large volume. So really, to me, today would be the start of any type of fourth wave pullback. Yesterday would be, excuse me. And then we'll have some up days, some small up days, but we want to monitor what the volume is on the up days, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Come check us out. Take a look at the videos. I'm sure you're going to really love it. You should do very well with these videos, okay? Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.